Do you forget words when you speak English? Don't worry, you are not alone. Many people have this problem, but I have good news for you. Today, I will give you 10 easy tips to help you remember words when you speak English. These tips will make speaking easier and more fun. Let's start. Think in English. Don't translate from your language. Start with simple sentences like, "The sun is bright." Practice every day, and your brain will become faster. Use simple words. If you forget a difficult word, don't stop. For example, instead of delicious, say very tasty. Instead of huge, say very big. Keep speaking with confidence. Speak every day. Talk to a friend. Talk to yourself, or record your voice. Even 2 minutes of daily speaking will help you remember words much better. Learn words in sentences. Don't learn only one word. Learn a full sentence, like, "The sky is beautiful today." Full sentences are easier to remember. Use flashcards. Write the English word on one side and the meaning or a picture on the other. Review them for just 5 minutes every day. Watch and listen in English. Watch videos with subtitles, listen to podcasts, or enjoy English songs. Hearing words again and again helps your brain remember them. Repeat and use new words. Say every new word 5 times and use it in different sentences. This makes the words stay in your memory. Stay calm. If you forget a word, don't panic. Explain it in another way. People will still understand you. Speaking English is about communication, not perfection. Write more. Keep a small notebook and write 1 sentence every day. Writing helps you remember words when you speak. Connect words with images. Look at objects around you and say their English names. Your brain remembers pictures very well. These are 10 easy tips to help you remember words when you speak English. Try them every day, and you will improve little by little. Now tell me in the comments, do you forget words when you speak English? Which tip did you like the most? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English tips. See you next time. Bye-bye.